masalit, and if people don't understand, we'll
Oh,
try to do
okay.
it in
Yeah.
English. So let's try our best.
Okay. Okay, Saida قلت ngorna
Masarap makan laurut terkadang.
kurin kurin kato no
Sorry.
sana ko sing komendeng.
Okay.
Genda
Uh,
go ke to
Gadagu,
mhm
Gadagu tur alphabet.
tinge di na.
Um,
Yeah, it's good. Good try. So new
one
boss
more.
berna so. Mhm.
Great job, Saida. And one more person
Yeah.
have their hand raised. I still don't know how to say her name. Soor.
Okay, Soro.
Yeah, Soro, go ahead.
Soro, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, gendagu magarta tur mola magarta I ano ono bano chano shano.
Also, Soro new boss ornia majirin namanya tena. Genda go tinge tor mola. O tor na la ko pede tumana. New boss ornia. Okay. Maybe few more people and then we can start.
Anyone else want to talk about the letters we were naming? Well, the words we were naming in Masalit based off the letters we learned yesterday. Like for A, arco, or abrandi, like any words we learned yesterday. Anyone want to mention?
Kende
Eh,
bako akharkan ara males.
tento tenende munjede garam lo hinte.
Aywa.
Garagelo dandangte.
Aha.
Also,
Okay. Sorno,
I
you
can.
have your hand raised. Go ahead.
Okay.
Magarta intao koi no sulambo ni mirimbo I ganing anna inyingi serong ila pomola.
That's it.
Kalla majirin gingo tirna tinge magarta mi gedak mola manala. Tinge ngarna nimri yaka ngarna nusulang. Ugul nimri iko ngarna yaka nusulang ngarna yaka gudu gudu nimri ngarna ko inko mosinga tirna. So so we learned yesterday about 10 alphabet, which is light sound alphabet and also the heavy sound alphabet, and all of them we call nimri, so they all moving. So 10 of them we show you guys yesterday, and so she was saying about that, and thank you. Okay, we can start the class. Thank you so much. We'll start the alphabet first, and then we did like yesterday. So okay, I can start from the first alphabet. Okay, da, sina, da, kadi, sina, kadi, sina, kadi, fa, sina, fa, kadi, ga, sina, ga, kadi, da, diri, e, erangi, singe, fa, fatarngi, ga, ganggang, da, sina, da, kadi.
I think he froze. Let's give him a moment.
E, erangi, singe. You guys seeing the screen, right? Or a lot of
Robotic,
freezing
you froze for a moment, so start reading the alphabet from like the first
at the
letter,
beginning.
please.
Okay. I don't know, maybe from my internet. Sorry for that, guys. Da sena dah kadi. Dah sena dah kadi. Sena kadi. Sena kadi. Fa sena fa kadi. Gah sena gah kadi. Da diri. Erengi. Singe. Fa patarangi. Ga ganggang. Dah sena dah kadi. Sena kadi. Sena kadi. Fa sena fa kadi. Gah sena gah kadi. Da diri. Erengi. Singe. Fa patarangi. Ga ganggang. Ngoy bako ngo hayno de bako garana gur koy de kina o gimalo jim majira tatil tilu garenen badak tingewi patarangi ngriya ka diri ngriya ka singe ngriya gangang ngriyan mosinke gimalo majirin ko tilo tilo karken to ande.
Okay, so Gamar has his hand raised. Go ahead, Gamar.
Da sena dah kodi. Sena kodi. I.
Dal
Sena.
ilo lagi ya.
Aywa. Sena
Sena
kodi.
kadi.
Sena kodi.
Okay.
Fa sena fa kodi. Gah sena gah kodi.
Okay.
Diri.
Lala dah diri.
Da diri. I erengi.
Lala erengi.
Erengi. Singe. Fa fatarengi.
Okay.
Gah ganggang.
Aso niyo namanya gargina niyo basombrna. Gil molo gudu majirin ko to.
Storno is next.
Soro.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No,
I'm
it's
so
okay.
bad. Storno, go
Okay,
ahead.
majirin soro teninginti.
Oke, da sona da kadi. Sona kadi. Sona kadi. Fa sona fa sona. Ga sona ga kadi.
Okay.
Da diri. Erengi. Singe. Fa fatangi. Ga ganggang.
Aso majirin soro niyo basorninga kalau gartena niyo bakalla aso.
Next
Gudu
is
gimolo majirin ko to.
Najmadeen.
Okay, Madin.
Right. Da sena da kadi. Sena kadi. Sena kadi.
Okay.
Fa sena fa kadi. Ga sena ga kadi.
Okay.
Da diri. Erengi. Singe. Fa erengi. Ga ganggang.
Aso majirin Madin niyo bo namanya gartena wo niyo bo aso arninga. Kala gimolo gudu majirin ko to mati.
Next is Abu Qasim, and then after Abu Qasim is Isaac.
Okay. Majirin abagasin gartenti.
Da sena da kadi. Sena kadi. Sena kadi. Fa sena fa kadi. Ga sena ga kadi. Da diri. Erangi. Singe. Pa patrangi. Ga ganggang.
Aso majirin abagasim niyo namanya gartena wo niyo bo kay aso arninga. Gudu majirin isak gartenti. Isak correct.
Okay. Da sina da kaddi.
Good.
Sina kaddi.
Good.
Sina kaddi.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Sina kaddi.
Sina kaddi.
Good.
Fa sina fa kaddi.
Good.
Ga sina ga kaddi. De da diri. Erengi.
Okay.
Eh,
Da
da
is okay. Da diri. Okay. I'm sorry, it was freeze, so I didn't hear anything. Can you
okay.
start from the beginning?
Okay.
Da diri.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
da diri.
Mm-hmm.
Erengi.
Mm-hmm.
Singe.
Mm-hmm.
Fatarangi.
Mm-hmm.
Ga gangang.
So majer ni sak nium no menyo gartena o ni bosor ni na. Ikimolo guru ko majer ko tu marang kang ko
We
kare ni
have
ko bulu mati.
4 more people. Abdurazik next, and then Safa. Safe is after Abdurazik.
Okay. Majer na Abdurazik ko kay kena gartenti.
Okay, Koikende Kembere, excuse my voice, I'm kind of under the weather.
Okay.
Da sina da kadi,
Mm-hmm.
sina kadi,
Mm-hmm.
sina kadi,
Mm-hmm.
fa sina fa kadi,
Mm-hmm.
ga sina ga kadi.
Okay.
Da diri,
Mm-hmm.
erengi,
Mm-hmm.
singe,
Mm-hmm.
fa fatarangi, ga
Mm-hmm.
gangang.
So majer na Abdurazik ni no menyo gartena o ni mbo ama koy asor ni. Ikimolo guru ji majer ko tu gartenti.
Go ahead, Safe.
Da sina da kodi. Sina kodi. Pa sina pa kodi. Ga sina ga kodi. Da sina diri. A sina erenge.
Sina lala
Oh,
sina erengi.
sina
Erengi.
erenge.
Good.
Kadi
You know,
singe.
singe ilko ede. يعني
Oh,
توغل ناغو هي نوري نمو تو دو بoko كدور نانك كده الأول
kalas.
يعني كده أقول singe تا كده إن الناس تي ده لكن بoko تو جمانا singe go أقرب كدوم نكو
Guys. Singe.
أيوة أصو
Fa sina patarangi.
أوكي
Ga sina gangang.
أصو نيو بأصو برنا ماجرين سيب جيكالو كركنا أصو
Okay, next we'll just have like 2 more people go, and then for the next exercise we'll choose the other ones who have their
yeah
hand
yeah I think
raised. So Sadia and Ahmed, Sadia go, and then after that Ahmed, and then for the next
we move
part
on.
we will have Sadia Daldum and Busaina go first.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead.
Okay. Da sona da kadi sona kadi sona kadi fa sona fa kadi ga sona ga kadi da diri erengi singe fa fataringi ga gangang.
Also, majerin sadia ni mno mnyo gertena o ama ko jikkallo asornya o gimalo ojim majerin togi gertenti.
I was thinking like for, you know, like yesterday I asked the question for for the students to come up with the wording masalit of the alphabet we learn. I was thinking for that lesson maybe we can have more people participate and we
Okay,
would
that's a good idea. I can move on.
okay.
Yeah, thank you for that. Thank you. Um, okay. Ni baso kiberna majer ta koy jekna mu yogarta ama koy de kinda kan koro kinda abdrenga. Igini bo kalaye unko bo mo sinjeti nimbo. Kita jag masa tinge wim kana ini ngabo koy andulin koy de kosinki gilang. Dah sena, dah kadi, dah diri. Dah diri. Diri da haja da yawo bisamu diri. So this is diri. Diri means camel. Diri means camel. Okay. Sena, kadi. Erengi, 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 erengi. ده يعني deer بتاع القلعة. أنا ما أعرف طبعا بيسموا specific name in English, but this is one of the deer have horns. So I think you see the picture here. So this is called erengi in Masalit. So we call erengi this one.
I don't think that's a deer, but I'm gonna look up and let you know in English.
Okay, yeah, we can check that actually. But next one is eh, sina, kadi, singe, singe. Singeda yani tree. So you see the picture here. This is tree. The whole thing is tree. So we call singe in Masalit. Singe, singe. The next one is fa sena, fa kadi. Fa patarangi, fa patarangi. Fatarangi da irabtu taman haja da yani akbar min al hina نسموه شنو ده يعني مونيتور ليزرد ولا ما اعرف شنو بتاع الخلا ده فترنجي ده طبعا ورل هاي ورل ده الورل بيسموه فترنجي بلغة المصاليد. So this animal we call patrangi and it is lizard I think or gazelle. Okay. Oh, gazelle that I think is gazelle is erengi is the gazelle and patrangi is lizard.
It's gazelle.
Gazelle. Okay, gazelle. Okay. Good. So Fatarangi means lizard. Fatarangi lizard. Okay, the next one is Gah Sena, Gah Kadi. Gah Gangang, Gah Gangang. Gangang da yani drum. Taman iwat barif drum. So this is called Gangang is drum. Gangang in Masalit is drums, like the drum that we do beat and people Gangang ko misaran mai means I'm going to play the drum. So this is Gangang. Gangang means drum. I have some examples here. Let me just show you. So I wrote something here. So this is dah sena, dah kadi, diri, diri gulna shunu, camel. So sena, kadi, erengi, erengi da gulna shunu, gazal. In English, gazal. So sena, kadi, gulna singe, singe da three. So I wrote this one in English, three. Fah sena, fah kadi, patarangi, lizard. The lizard, patarangi. Gah sena, gah kadi, gangang, gangang, the drum, drums. Okay. Any question here? في أي سؤال مثلا في رسم كده؟ Ni creo que naga nigi masan como salagim. No.
No, there's no question. So should we
Wait, no, I have a question.
go ahead? Go ahead.
Okay.
Can you go up on the letters again? Dole ko up kayo.
Ole.
You mean the
Again,
vowels?
singe.
So you want on this box or like the first one here?
No, the alphabet.
Is on the alphabet?
Yeah, the three ones.
Okay.
Singe. Why start with S?
Start with M, you say?
No, S. Singe.
F. You
No,
say
S.
F, right?
S mbo singing goro we start kati again.
No, S.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay, ngoken majiring adir karna ngoken au ngoro singegi esmba tornayong entre. Okay, so this question is good. So why singers start with S? So this one for those who made the books. So I think that's the best option for the That's why they made it singe. So now we no count S on this point. We count the last letter. In the last letter. It's still pronounced eh. So that's why we no count the S though here. Even though if there is, it doesn't matter if there's in the middle or last or in somewhere in the beginning, it doesn't matter. That's why they just put it, on the last. It's mentioned on the last ordi. So singe. If you say singe means it's ordi, it's taking the A. That's why so they put it. This is what I think actually they made it. But the rest one is easy for they made it, in the beginning. It's actually the same thing, so it's nothing different.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you for that question. Yeah. Koi kosinga taman majirin ka setir karna gi singe gi ngoro es motor na ontirna. Go taman ka gilan kitab go nenawi e sigalo tingi gi anno يعني ما ضروري انه يكون في الاول ولا اخر ولا في الوسط. يعني يعني كل ما مثلا ينتج معناته خلاص يعني يجي من لاس متوكا لكن معناته بالنتج يعني sound can identify here. So singe means singe.
And
Thank you for that question.
another question is the same. The kana wala like a word masarang bozi. Singe mo dorang atenda wala kunyore mere actor wala warang.
Lala bo tu kana noranga ede gilang embo gilang noranga ede. Ila example ka ana ila kibinjikalti.
Wait, don't show them. I need them to figure out first. I need
Okay.
I need to ask the question and everyone please
Okay.
participate and try to come up with words in Masalit and then after that he can show you what he wrote.
Exactly. That's why
Yeah.
I'm kind of hiding it in
Yeah,
the corner.
but ange vowel ta'awul, let's practice that one again. The vowels, the 10
Yes.
vowels,
Yeah,
and
those are
then
very important. Okay.
yeah, after that we'll go on to the question.
Okay. So we wanna just go through and see our vowels. Masalit. So these are Masalit vowels. 10 of them. So like five of five of the alphabet is light sound alphabet, and the other with the tagia, the other with the sagi is the heavy sound alphabet. So that's how we differentiate. So there are 10. All of them we call them nimiri. Nimiri means moving. So these 10 masalit vowels, 10 of them we call them nimiri. Nimiri means moving alphabet. And five of the alphabet, the upper one, we call walwala. Walwala means light. Walwala, light sounds. Like light sounds, the top one. But this one, here with the segi, lirra. So lirra means heavy. So heavy sounds, the one with the segi is heavy sounds. So lirra means heavy. Walwala means light. So all of them we call them nimiri. Nimiri means moving, like those 10 masalit vowels moving. Let me read all of them. You can just see like how it sounds. The first step, walwala, the light sound alphabet. Top one is, let's see, a, e, o, u. So those are the light one. When we come to the heavy one, eh, no, sorry, uh, uh, eh, e, o, u, uh, eh, e, o, u. You see, these are like, the sound is like you are fighting. Is the heavy one, you have to say it from your throat, like you have to say it hardly so that it can sound. So that's how we differentiate on the masalit vowels. 10 of the masalit vowels here. So if we are writing the any words, it sounds like the way it should be sound. Like let's say kana. Kana means language. Or masalan kana adi. Kana means map. Same thing. So kana, waka. You see, in masalit, we don't have the silent words. We have, everything that you sound, you can write it down. So that way is easy. That's why they differentiate all these vowels. So each letter sound different way. So that way you can able to write masalit words. If you are in writing the letter or anything in masalit words, you can write it. I hope it's easy a little bit, masalit vowels. Then you guys can bring some examples of the alphabet that we learned today. Some of the examples.
Yeah, masarak bakurnanke. So remember,
Okay.
you have to come up with the 5 letters we learned today. Come up with a word in masalit. I'll go first. I'm gonna try.
Okay. It's good to start. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
So any letter, you can pick any letter. Doesn't matter.
It's hard. I'll do
And also,
E.
it doesn't matter. It can be in the middle or
Yeah.
first or the last. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. Just any of the 5 letters we learned today.
Yeah.
I'm trying to come up with a word in letter D.
Okay.
Dongi.
Okay. Donkey. Yes.
Yeah. Ooh, that
Okay.
was so
I
hard
think I
for
can
me.
write it down. Let's see. I can write
Mm-hmm.
it down.
So I saw Saida raise her hand. Oh,
Okay.
I was
actually,
gonna say the same thing. It's okay.
Sure. It's okay.
okay. Wait, actually, I had some other people I wrote down that didn't go last time. So it was
Yeah, this is what
Busaina.
I was thinking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Busaina, go ahead.
Okay. D.
Donkey. Yeah. Who's the there?
Busaina, we can't
Da-
hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, Hussein.
Okay. Dabanga?
Dabala.
No. Oh yeah, that one too. But I was gonna
Oh,
say Dabanga.
okay. Thank you. Dabala. Okay.
And then it was Ahmad Yasir who didn't go last time. Go ahead, Ahmad.
Ahmad Yasser. Okay.
Da.
Da. Okay.
And then
This is very good one.
next is Sadia Daldum.
Sadia.
Yeah. Okay. De.
There.
Does
Yes.
that go with D? Yeah.
Yeah. Also.
Okay, now we have to focus on the other letters. No more D's, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
um,
Yeah, I like that. Thank you.
let's have Isaac go. Isaac, go ahead.
Okay. For the letter Fa, I will say
Okay.
Furfurangi.
Furfrangi. Yes. Oh,
Yeah,
that's good.
nice.
That's good.
um, let's have uh, let's have Hill.
Furfrangi. You
Let's
know.
have
Okay.
Najmadin
Guess
go.
what is mean Furfrangi? One person.
Is it
I
a
have no idea.
butterfly?
Is
Is
it a
it
butterfly?
butterfly?
Yes,
Butterfly.
butterfly. Thank you. You got it. Okay, go ahead.
Najmadin, go ahead.
Yeah. I was gonna say teacher.
Teacher.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, teacher. Yeah. Good, teacher. Yes.
Um, let's have let's have Sadia Adam go.
Teacher. So mola rangelo mola. Teacher. Is the plural though.
Can you guys skip me?
Okay. Who is going now?
Hadila, go ahead.
Gunny.
Gani. Yes. Gani.
Let's have Yasir, go ahead.
Sugurti?
Sugurti.
Yeah, Sugurti.
Okay, Sugurti. Let me see. Tinge. I mean mola lam tadakan. Yeah. Also. Tingi ga. Sugurti. I think let's see the meaning of these words and then we can move on. I think if that's okay. I think probably
Wait.
is.
Guys, keep your hands raised. We're gonna just
Oh, okay.
the
Let's
meaning.
finish with them. Okay.
No. You go ahead with the finding the meaning of these words, but we're gonna continue with other words. However, we should first know what we wrote.
Okay. So the first this student start with the D. Dongi. Dongi gi taban ama awski gimbo kokor sa wayde no wangeli. Ilik dongi. Kokor habi to san kunuka kokor yani kumayong o grandiyong ugur kodokayong sa wayne no wangeli dongi. Agudu okomenen koto kotene. Dongi means have to dungi yani. Ijay minal kana dungi means like something black. It's also coming from dongi. Same thing. I think dongi here, those who know speak Masalit, dongi here is something that it's like I would say it's like when you feed the chicken, you have something you put the water on and then they drink on that one. I think I need help on this probably. Maybe Fatma, you can help
Uh,
explain this.
I think you're talking about container, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, a container they put water or food for
Yeah,
chicken.
they put water and for the chicken. So we call dongi. And then also this dongi words is coming from black, like something black. It's coming from dungi, dongi. Okay, thank you. And the next one is also with the D, dabala.
A question, dongi, is it the same spelling for dongi and dongi? Like dark?
No, not same spelling. You know, yani dungi means real black. This dungi. Dongi means like, you know, it's not completely black, but yani they gani nyarum tuko gani boko dongi tui kida. Gani boko dongi tui means like, you know, it's going to be dark. So dongi tui, you know, gani nyarum ko ingi tilingani ken. Mana tasa gani dongi tui simbo ngore mboko sangan datangi am kernasi. Yani dongi tui means like it's going to be black, going to be dark, something like this. Unko kosega mas kosega. So okay, we'll move on. So D, another D here, or da, dabala. Dabala is the field that people play. I can say dabala is in English. I don't know. Like I'm asking how you what's the name of this dabala in English?
You said it's a field, so isn't it like
That's the right term?
field? Yeah.
Is it
Okay.
dabala? Jarita dabala wala zay?
Almim dabala kita ban abutum koy muteri. Dabala masalan kuro ta ko tarti. Dabala ka isari gidu kututi. Dabala ini kemin de nyong ko wanaske isari kututi.
Yeah,
So this dabala means the place, the field for the soccer field or the place kid go sit down and play, or also you know, people go do like wedding ceremony and people jump, especially in our culture. So we call dabala. Dabala means the place that both girls and boys go and play. So they sing and play. That place we call dabala is the field. And then
I was going to say, is it more like an arena or a stadium?
Arena. Yeah, like arena and stadium da kaman is haja kabir shadid. لكن حاجة حقنا ده حاجة simple يعني بتاع culture. يعني مثلا يعني يكون يعني جنب البيت بس مثلا يعني جنب البيت بس مالي ينظفوه بعدك الناس كله يلموا هناك وينطوا يدقوا النقارة وينطوا داك نسموه دبلا. مرات كمان عيال سكار في الأعمار كله زي يقول عمر 15 ل 10 ل 12 كلهم دائما يعني مسا كده يلموا هناك يلعبوا كورة بتاع نيانجور ده يلعبوا كورة بتاع نيانجور صغير كده ده جات دبلا. يعني حاجات كده يعني فاني شديد، لكن ده قريب للبيت او قريه جنبكم. لكن لو قلنا استديو معناته ده حاجه يعني very developed.
And
Okay,
can we say
so
like any place, any gathering place can be referred to as dabala zay ka idiri?
yeah,
Yeah,
basically.
mungkin.
Yeah, it has to be a consistent, right? There's a
Yes.
consistency to it.
Right. Thank you. And also okay, tingi dambo kana toko gi manara da gi yani mother, so it is very simple. Da, so da means mother. In Masalit, da we say mother, our mother we say da. And the next one is this one also is easy, just two words. De. This is de means cow. De in Masalit means cow. And da means mother. So here, this one also with the ga, say sugurti. Sugurti means rope. So any rope that we tie, any rope, any type of rope we call sugurti in Masalit. Sugurti is the rope. Sugurti means rope. Okay, here with the fa, purfurangi. Purfurangi means butterfly. Purfurangi means butterfly. Urfurangi in masalit butterfly. وهنا التيت ده كمان بيسموه تيكي. This is gods. So it's plural. Tike C. So this is C means singular. If it's one, C. So one is C. But when it is plural, we say Tike. Tike is plural of gods. Tike. Lo white. If it is one, we call C. So the next example is Gani. Gani da and makan. It's like place. Like S or place. Gani means place. Okay, I think it's easy. You guys get it?
Let's do a few more actually. I noticed that Abdurazik has his hand raised. Abdurazik, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. We're going for the words, right? Gokorngi.
Yes,
Gokorngi, yes.
for the words.
So
And next, Gamar.
Okay.
Gokorngi. With the G.
Letter
With
D.
the D. With the
Durmi.
D. Okay.
Durmi.
Dormi. Yes. It's a good idea. Dormi. With the Da. Okay. One more example.
There's like 5 more people. Let's have
5
all
more.
5.
Okay.
Oh,
I don't
there's
mind.
6 more.
We have. We have time, so I think let's see.
In the list here, I see it's Yasir next, Zadia, and then we have more. Oh, we have like 8 people. So yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Let's have the first 2 go. Yasir and then Zadia.
Gigi.
Can you repeat
You
that
can
again?
pick any alphabet.
Gigi.
Huh?
Gigi.
Gigi. Okay. Gigi. Okay. Okay. Next person.
This starts with the L, but I feel like it has that like air sound. Letty.
Larry. Okay. Yes. So. One more.
We got 5 more. You can, if
Okay.
you
Yeah.
have your hand raised, you can
I have.
just unmute and say it, but not all at once. Go ahead.
I just want to say something that starts with the D.
Okay.
There's, you can say like Durti.
Yes. Also. Winon da tingge min dawi jat panjung. Durti.
Anyone can go who have their hand raised. Go ahead.
And then I don't know if this start with A, but Angonye. Is that?
Angonye.
Voila.
Yeah. Yeah. Kanata. Angonye. Okay. Go ahead. Anyone going?
Domonga.
Domonga.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Next, Ahmed.
Ginda.
Ginda.
And next, the other Ahmed.
Galamko.
Galamko ya, kima galamko nandiyan matasamko. Barakallah ni baso.
Busaina, Sumaya, and then
Galamko.
Busaina, go ahead.
Fatalitas. It's like food.
Rite? Ya,
Fatalitas.
kalau tola hai.
Sumaya.
What the G is gokorangi.
Kala aso. Gokorangi mena. Kata mena gokorangi.
Oh, okay.
And the last person with their hand raised, go ahead.
Paki.
Okay.
Who is going next?
I'll go next. I don't know if
Okay.
it's in my list, but Farisha.
Parisha, okay. قلت فرشة.
Yeah, Farisha.
اوكي. جي
فرشة ده عربي مش؟
طبعا هي فرشة جي عربي باي. أقول مثلا بقى فرشة دي مرنسي أقول أو باجي مرنسي.
باجي داك أديل.
اوكي. بس بارك الله. فرشة اوكي. لكن فاطمة جي تيجي من مولا منا تيلو أستطيع مش. كانوا توكم بي. Anything, you know.
Wait, we didn't do E. Let's try with the letter E. Both of the
Okay.
E's. We haven't had much on those.
Okay.
I don't know if this
You mean
is wrong, but
this is the A, right? This one, you mean?
yeah, that one, and also the next E.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go to my examples if that maybe because of our time also.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, thank you. I think let me explain this a little bit, or you guys, it's okay. I can just move on to my examples.
Explain it in English, what those words
Yes.
mean, and then we'll move on to the words you wrote.
Okay. So the first example we did that is dormi. Dormi means nose. Dormi nose. Dormi in masalit nose. So the down this one is durti. Durti is pot. I think pot, right? Durti nyuguru erili. Some more
Yeah, that's
pot.
pot.
Or pot or amar. That is the same spelling?
P-O-T. P-O-T, yeah, you wrote it right.
Okay. Okay. Durti means pot or fat. Okay. One example with ga, gigi. So gigi da yani haja yani masalan نقول شنو. So anyone can help this in.
I don't know what that is. So
Okay. So gigi, Bulgasmi, yeah, you can.
Wait, Gege and Gaga, but it's the same thing? Like, I thought it was Gaga. Like,
No, it's different.
Is it
Gigi,
like a
So this
guitar or something like that?
yeah, it's like rababa, but it's not rababa. It
yes.
has like one thing,
okay.
that's
Mm-hmm.
Gigi, and then Gaga is like um Ateno ni dali kung saan niya.
I think the
Yes.
closest to a violin, probably.
Yes.
Yeah,
This
Violin,
is
yes,
violin,
close
yeah.
to violin. So Gigi is like close to violin, but this is actually play with our, our singers. Actually, I would say like Abdullah Bede, he play with Gigi always. So when he's singing,
Is it
or
Darabul?
Malik Sanio or Kir, all of them when they play, they use Gigi to play or sing. I think that's the. I hope
What is
you
that
guys.
in English? Because I don't know.
آه
Mm,
معلش افندي طبعا ده ما مجالي لكن بخش طبعا مسرك بو جيجي هو بالعربي هو الكمنجة اصلا
okay.
يا
Pues mau kamanja unko mo singa arjang bo, lakin English mbo ko nga moranki. Ele
والله
kabi.
انجليزي بو طبعا اما اوسنده
I think it's a violin.
Kamanja. Yeah, I'll figure it out. Kamanja. So like Fatima and everyone. So this Gege means like if you see any of our new singers either back in Sudan or like outside, they use they use something round. Kodoka kida kodoka bunyo or aluminium. كانوا خلاص بقطوا جلد حاجه كده جلد بقطوا بعدك يدقوا زي كانه it's very much similar to guitar. It's very
So
much similar to guitar but a little bit different. So that one we call gegi in Masalit.
يا هو طبعا سبيبتا بريتان بو ايجاجري
هي حقيقه.
يبيتوي إقامة مثلا سلوكتا وكده إيجا لكن جيجي ده بالنسبة لسبيبتا بريتان بو
Yeah.
Wait, I think I know where it is in English.
You know, right?
I think it's like a ukulele.
I think so. Yeah.
Like if you search it
Or
up, it looks like a
you can write
ukulele.
it down in the comment if that.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
so rap babambo gegi is a ngarimbo unko ige wala.
ايوه هي كرم مو كده انكو ابي دائما ما مسرك يعني فنان انت من لا كوي هبي يساري دائما بدوكو كده بس دائما بيني يساري كوي انكو
Eli
اللي
Abdallah is
بيسموه
diagram.
جيجي.
It's like violence, right? It's like traditional.
Violence, yes. I think it's violence actually too. Yeah.
But it's just more traditional, I think.
Right.
Exactly.
We can move on, I hope. So
Yes,
here,
we
down
can move
one,
on.
Angwenye. So this is also one of example with a Angwenye. Angwenye means like I like or I love. Like Angwenye da yani baji min love. Angwenye da haja bihibbo yani haja I haja yani مثلا أنا بحب التفاحة بحب الكتاب ده يعني مثلا بس حاجة أي حاجة أنت تحبه ده أغنية يعني أغنية means I like or I love. Larry ده جات example with a Larry means donkey ده حاجة حمار ده بيسموه Larry in مساليد. Larry means donkey. This one Larry means donkey. So here with example with da and ga domoga. Domoga ده يعني حاجة كبير كده بعمله بالتين وبخط الإيش في السودان أو في دارفور أو في محلتنا يعني جلدنا بعمل زي ده حتى الأموات حاجة اللي بخطوا هناك إيش بعد ما يحصدوا الإيش يقطوه هناك في الدمقة يحفظوه يعني لفترة طويلة. So this spot like is something big. I think the container like is big container that we keep the milk sorghums في ايش مثلا او بول نكت جوا ونحفظهم يعني ده بيسموه دمجة. I think you can explain more if Fatima or anyone.
Yeah, 1 second. Najmuddin has his hand raised. Go ahead, Najmuddin.
No, Allah, I was gonna say
Anyone?
a word, but
Yes,
aningana,
Najmuddin, yes.
we can move on.
Okay, you know the word?
No, aningana like ojo mata, ma fi mushkila.
Okay, kala ma mishkila. Okay, Domoga, I hope you guys got Domoga.
Domaga is like it's like a silos, but it's a storage, right? It's a small but storage.
Yeah.
It's a traditional storage.
Yes.
Traditional storage.
رسمتها هنا تيت لو شفته. دمجة دمجة ده يعني حاجة زي ده دايما هو بيشاف حاجة زي ده لكن كبير، بعمله بالتين. بعد ما ينشف يكتوا الإيش بعد الحصاد يعني ما عندنا إمكانيات عشان نحفظوا الإيش كتير 3-4 شهور في مال واحد. عشان كده الحباتنا والأسرة بتاعنا يهو قاعدين بكبوا بحفظوا الإيش ده في الدمجة. الدمجة ده يعني حاجة كبير بيشيل 3-4 7 شهور ممكن عادي بيشيل، حفظوه بفترة طويلة وكده، ده بيسموه الدمجة. كويس. قلمكو ده يعني جاي من القلم. قلمكو يعني it means like you describing like قلمكو. قلم so قلم is from here like let's say قلم ده يعني pen. قلم ده pen. قلمكو you are describing the pen, so we say قلمكو. قلمكو عندي like means give me the pen. قلمكو عندي give me the pen. So galamko means is coming from galam, and galam is pen. So galamko means you describing like you say galam ilu andi or galamko andi. وده كمان باتريته ده يعني sorghum. ده يعني ايش ما ايش الدقن ده الايش المارق ولا مرق مارق هنا ده الايش شيء حبة الكبار ده sorghum مش sorghum.
لغة مني كم بكتمو.
كتمو ايوه.
أيوة.
Yes. Yeah, باتريته ده يعني كتمو. كتمو
أيوة
ده
نعم.
in English sorghum. Asumir apandi majirin Muhammad ni bukalorna. Kacumu ase kacumu ila patrite. In English like sorghum. Sorghum. Ase sorghum yani kacumu ya. White hina example ginda. Ginda da nabak taman. Ginda da nabak. Nabak da maar bugol shunu bil English. نبق ده يعني حاجة زي بلا كده، ولكن عندنا في السودان أو في دارفور لو نجت يعني عنده كفر بتاع ده تشيل زي كأنه لايك لالو ولا هاي يا زي لالو نبق ده هنا
Mbarae. Yani ginda mo kurcha mo mbarae.
أيوة يمكن هسه مين مري جندا جات جندا ده أو نبق مش
Ginda yu mugula ile ka shwe kurcha ke sibina.
كويس. أوكي جندا كيلو نبق تان
La naba gi kurcha. Ginda yu lalopte.
لالو. أوكي مبروك. هاي ممكن ما جرين جنيه وكورك متنا. أوكي جندا ده يعني لالو، والنبق كمان يهو كورشا. لكن هسه جينا هنا جندا ده يهو لالوب ده بالانجليزي انا ما بعرف طبعا
برضو
لكن نفتشوه جندا.
I think it's lolop as well. Or
لالوب اوكي
as well, yeah.
اوكي لالوب اوكي. كلا نيمبو اسو كبرنا جيب كالو كينا. I hope you guys get after this one. So let's move on to my examples, or if there's any question.
Just one more question. Fufrangi, because I used to saying apufrangi. So the right way of saying is fufrangi, right?
Yeah, Fufrangi. Okay, guys, let's see.
Tamam.
Yeah, right one is Fufrangi. ولا انت قلت شنو؟ Fufrangi ولا Fufrangi؟
زي اما اينك زي اما قصو زي اراغ زي apufrangi. So that's the wrong way, right? Oops.
No, it's the correct actually. It's that one also correct. You know, Fufrangi يعني راكن كاجي كلو مرات قصة كا تجا جنان من الغربي إن Fufrangi ده راكن توسنجي، لكن Fufrangi نان هاي النصرة توسنجي، لكن كوي يعني سمني I think Aproprangi, I'll go with Aproprangi much more than Proprangi.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go to, I think it's done. We can move on to my examples.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay. So
Also,
I wrote down some examples here. I think we can go through. I'll read first and then let's see. So in the box here, dah sena, dah kadi, dah diri, dah da, dah dala, dah dole, diri, da, dala, dole. Sena kadi, erengi, ela, eleleng, sena kadi, singe, lele, elele, pah sena, pah kadi, fatarngi, pilta, paki, pilta, paki, gah sena, gah kadi, ganggang, gim, gaye, gilang. So I did example here, like the first one on da, we have diri. So we know everybody know diri means camel. So diri is camel. So this is diri is camel. So another examples da, asa gibel kan amalna. Da mana to mother. So dala means leader. So dala means leader. Yani any group you put somebody represent you, that means dala. So it's leader. Dala in Masalit means leader. So dole means like up, something up. Dole. So these three examples with letter da, diri, da, dala, dole. The next box is erengi. Erengi da gulna gazal gulna. Erengi. It look like deer, but it's gazal with the horns. So ela, ela da yani they leap. Masalan yani kai habi ngoken ela, ngoro ela. So why they leap? Like it's like a group. Let's say like why they leap. So this is like prula. So ela means like a prula. They leap. So ela means yani they leap. Ela means leap. Eleleng means early. So eleleng early. Eleleng in Masalit means early. So this is with the air examples erengi, ela, eleleng. We can do more when we start the actual classes. So on the next box is singe, lele, elele, lele, elele. So singe, erepna singe da shuno. Singe da yani 3. So lele means a day. Lele yani lela masalan nقول شنو like a day. Lele معناته lele inaili كده like it's a day. Elele I don't know in English, but you guys can help me out. Elele means like if someone excited, like
Like
especially the women.
cheering. Kind of like cheering.
Cheering, yes, thank you. So sharing, especially the women, when there's a wedding or like like graduation ceremonies, or they do like LLM means sharing. Sharing كده مش.
cheering.
Cheering.
Cheering. Okay. CHEER مش
Yeah.
Cheering.
Uh,
cheering.
in Arabic,
Concord.
Zakarit, right?
Zakarit, yes. ده الزخارف ذاته لا لا. So يعني means they make good sharing. Sharing. English love. Sharing.
I think his internet is a little slow today. We'll give him a moment.
Okay. So the next one is fa. So you know,
Let's give him a moment.
مثلا
Mubarak.
بيسموه فقيه.
Mubarak, you're
لو قلنا إمام كمان زول مثلا بيسلي بالناس نقول إمام، لكن الفقيه ده معناته هو زول عنده مدرسة أو كلوة بتاع الدين يعني بيسموه فقيه.
Mubarak, give you 1 second.
I don't know in English. Paki is just like sheep or I don't know.
Mubarak, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. You have to start that one over because you froze for like the entire.
Oh, sorry.
For letter
So
F, you
is it
have to
from
start.
Pilta or the Paki?
Oh, from the beginning.
Oh, from okay.
For letter
Fah
F.
Sena. Okay. Fah Sena. Fah Kadi. Patarangi. Pilta. Paki. Patar. Pilta da granat. Yani full. Paki da يعني ده يعني الباكي ده في السودان عندنا مثلا شيك عنده المهاجرين وقاعدين بيدرسوا ده بيسموه باكي. أكون فقيه ده كلكم عارفينه طبعا. الفقيه بيسموه بالعربي فقيه او لو بلغتنا جاتنا يسموه فقيه. هو الشيك طبعا بالعربي. وفترنجي ده كمان لازم ده الورل بتاع القلعه ده يسموه فترنجي بلغتنا. Okay, the next box is gah sena gah kadi. Gah ganggang. Ganggang da قلنا شنو drum. Dabalam ko ganggang ko misarna. Yani you play drum in the pill. Gim means something like here. Gimka means come here. Gimka, come here. Gaye means going, like you going. Gaye means you going. Like if someone going, we say gaye. Manat means mangaye means you going. Mangaye. Gaye means like going. Gilang da haja yani first. Gilang or first. Okay, Gangang, Gim, Gaye, Gilang, Gimda, here. Gaye, going. Gilang means first. Any question up to this? Nikrio kene.
سؤال أول to someone ask.
Okay.
Go back to the words we were learning earlier. Ka ibnala.
Here? Voila. Oh, okay. I got
Yeah,
you.
the one people said it.
Okay.
The one that starts with the F. The last one.
Oh, the last one with the F?
Yeah. Ulu, like someone asked, English trina.
Okay. So what words? Which one specifically?
Okay. Fatirite. Akir word F mbondornali.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Patirite, مش؟
Yeah,
ده؟
ليه.
ده مش؟ Is this one? This is the one? You see, right? Okay. Patrite. Patrite means sorghum. قلنا sorghum. Patrite ده sorghum يعني كچمو. أسا كچمو. أسا سرول وأسا كچمو. sorghum ده يعني إيش؟ نقول مارك مش بالعربي مارك.
كله الاثنين.
يسموه
What's in
sorghum.
English though?
In English, sorghum. Like I don't know how to spell, but they call sorghum. Let me see if I can get this.
Okay.
Yeah, I can get it. So sorghum. So this is in English. Yeah.
Okay, I think that was the only question in the chat.
Okay.
Oh, Sadia, how do you say elele in English? Can you explain that?
Yes, please.
Sadia Adam.
I'm sorry, what?
Can you explain a little bit about elele in English?
Oh, it's just ululate. That's how you say it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So another meaning also is like sharing. Like someone just excited and then like elele tena.
Oh, what did you guys mean by explaining? Did you guys want me to pronounce the word, or did you guys want me to explain it? Because I'm confused.
Pronounce anything.
Oh, we want you to explain like the meaning.
Oh, ululate is like the same thing that you guys are saying elele, but like it's with the thing they do with the throat, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
We wrote something this one. Like I don't know if like sharing or like sharing. Like excitement, This is
Yeah.
like in the wedding place or like,
Yeah. Like graduations, all of that,
graduation
right?
ceremonies. Yes, people like women make elele. Means like
Yeah,
they,
it's
they share and
ululate. I think it's universal for a lot of places. Like, it's the same thing that they do. Maybe I know they do it in Egypt. Some people in Asia do it too. So I think they just call it ululate in English.
Okay.
So she wrote that in the chat. It's ULULATE.
Yeah, just to add, it's ululate or from the act of ululation or ululation, you can call it. I think it's a very sort of a general common cheering action referring to Sudanese elele as we are
Yeah.
describing at the moment. Yeah.
It's good. Thank you. Perfect. Any other question? I hope you guys getting the note. I think that will help you guys just in case. Okay, if there's no question, let me just go quick on the yesterday's alphabet. Let me just do a little bit. If that's okay. We're almost there to go, but
Yeah, go ahead and review
okay.
the letters we learned yesterday.
Okay. So abacha masarak asena akadi sena kadi bah sena bah kadi chah sena chah kadi shah sena shah kadi a arko abrandi ba bere cha cheke shah shete da sena dah kadi sena kadi sena kadi fah sena fah kadi gah sena gah kadi da diri erengi singe, fa, fatarange, ga, gangang, a, arko, obrandi, ba, bere, cha, cheke, sha, shete, da, diri, erangi, singe, fa, fatarangi, ga, gangang. So, arko means grasshopper. Taman jirat. Okay, abrandi. Abrandi da gonna stairs. Habi so urege. Gonna yani shino. Abrandi in masalib. Bere is horse. Bere is horse. Cheke. Cheke da yani horse bite. We say horse bite. So this is in English. Shete, shete. Shete da yani pepe. Shete. Da diri. Camel. Gulna erangi. Gulna gazal. Singe. Gulna tree. Fa patarangi. Patarangi. Gulna shino lizard. O gangang drum. So I really focus on the alphabet and also the words. So like if I know R, I have to know arko. This is very important. So everything in the book we have to know and memorize in our head. So means if I know so I supposed to know arko also. If I know I have to know in writing aburundi. Arko aburundi ba bere cha cheke sha shete ده يعني كله نافس لازم يكون نافس يعني ده ممكن بجيب في الامتحان او حاجه مهمه يعني قاعد في الكتاب لازم تكون تعرف ده دري يعني لو عرفت ده معناته لازم نعرف دي دري ده جاته جاي من الده و ارنجي معناته لازم نعرف ارنجي ده سبيلنج بتاعه ينكتب كيف بعدين لو قلنا دار معناته ارنجي ده بجي من وين و سينجي 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 ده لازم نكون نعرف بعدك بجي من ده بجي من السينجي لازم نعرف فترنجي بعدك ببدأ من الفا فترنجي لازم نعرف غانغان وغا غانغان أركو أبرندي با بره cha cheke sha shete da diri erengi singe pa patarangi ga gangang. So any question up to here?
Saida, go ahead.
Is there any way we can get the notes? Like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
send me your email. I'll add you to the classroom and we'll upload the notes there and you can get it.
oh, okay.
Good question. Yes. Learning the alphabet with the teacher is very, very important. Just when I'm reading, focus and listening, like the sound. That's the important. Let's say like if I mix with and so it's gonna be a big problem. And yeah, and so this is we have to know all this.
Balanites.
Anyone have
So
questions?
1:30 now we can stop the recording and if
Yeah.
there is any other.
Anyone has questions? Okay, just want to announce that we will be having this class every weekend, Saturday and Sunday at 12, starting at 12. So please be prompt. Try to come at least 5 minutes early. Thank you everyone for coming to the class. If you have questions, please ask, and we will be concluding the class in the next 5 minutes.
معلش شكرا أفندي.
Okay.
يعني يمكن كلاس إنه يمكن كنودا، لكن أنا في بعض الحاجات ممكن نتدخل.
اوكي
معلش
شكرا.
مي طبعا صحيح لغة إنجليش كموسن ده، لكن على حسب الكلام مثلا بنسمه يعني نيم بدي استفاد مرير يعني برضه. ويمكن أما يعني أفندي مرمبا والمهاجرين تنين بكو نيم بدي أسوك مرنغا أما إنرك محمد خاطر أحمد أبو لنجم الدين أصلا.
ما شاء الله شرفت
وجم
والله.
الله يبارك فيك. وجم كده جم حبوتو زي انكو مرسي كمو يعني مثلا جروكي جايم حبيك تو مصنوعات تاي مكونات تاي انا برضو
نعم
في بعض الاحيان زي مكونات تاي كار ممكن تفسير كو مثلا بو كيران ممكن كمبنجتي زي
الله.
حتى زي مصنوعات زي الدمنغاجي ما مكونات تاي طبعا.
نعم
الدمنغاجي طبعا هو habigi tinbo sana enaye wo tinbo sana en gim tinnong sanong wo gudu ko habito tende masalan
فري.
shinu teri tobobo
ها.
teri tobobo yi masarak boye wa arabi bornan mirsetang andufufu ori teri go
اوكي
arabi mba andufufu ye masarak bo tobobo
نعم
wa tobobo go ayya ganim te inno torna jadati kuma dol norna jada teri tobobo kuma mkoko naru fundukmo tun eni ken lobo ka tu ken tinbo masalan
شكرا.
remele nyang enan huwa tinko barbut ashan tin masalan tunyende
نعم
lanu sharair kal tin mushabakan enin ashan tin masalan tonyung kayande ni mbonjonga tute ogudu ko badal ahyanan sa kunjuluk tani wo naro eke sa kunjuluk tani ngai masalan sayi asewo masalan sam onyeken ase jumma ku hammat enin ndelal de jing enin ase damir ke uken sa ta ngai kunjuluk ta ore
يا
sa kunjuluk ta yi tin ko niembo erereme zeyal kangi tangu nor kude dol bayat ko ganne gaken ko anyadar maglak no nar anyadar kullu ken masalan tinmo anyan tin ko ramin enin bayat masalan tunyinde tibi ilnon onko tukosi.
نعم
و بالنسبة لهذه مصنوعات تام كارن برضو ممكن زي أمريكان بعض الحاجات مثلا نفسر لكم
لا لا كلا نيمبو
يهودوكو
سوبر.
جيم غرو أمين كنايم زي فترنجي جي مثلا بفترنجي لكن إيه فترنجي مبراي مثلا
نعم
فترنجي عربي بكر ورال كدت إن رياكن فترنجي كونجي خلاتا جي هودوكو في ورال ألمي
هاي
ورا الألم دوكو بإيش في موية جوا بس داك أصلا ما بإيش برا في موية جوا في حالة
نعم
وقت تنيسين تجم تنير سولة تنير كن زي كانغو تاركن كرينكو سام يعني بخوش
فانتاجي.
أصلا
نعم
ورا الكادت جتي أورجا سينين نم كده هو بإيش أو كم أتلاكن برضو بلغتين مولاي بإيش إن داي
نعم
ومي مثل يقول لك قطر كان دالفينا مي يعني أبوتو كودو أمبالفينا عشان كده ما قدرنا عرفنا زي إنجليش.
نعم نعم
لكن زي مسارك بكارن هبوتو يعني كمين حاسة جيم سي جرونجاي يعني أوسين كده إينا تو يعني مرسي أوسينجه وهبي
نعم
ترودا تونغريمبو إيجاجي أوسينجه زي إلا نوناي ممكن كار مسارك بو فسر كندا ميجاتي توتي
بارك
وني
الله.
نيم بدا أسوك مراميزا تو يعني أمين ده ما جندقو كي بدا كنا لكن أمين ده كارلاي يعني استمعنا واستفدنا حاجات.
ما شاء الله.
وعلى حسب الانجليزي موشن راقبه ممكن نحن نستفيد على حسب الاستماع بس وهبطوا سي امريكان تناندو امريكان كمدري تتوتي ان شاء الله نيا بدا اسوك مرنا
كلا نيمبو محمد نيمبو سمبرنا كان نمانيو يعني روجنا يعني أما نيمبو سمبرنا برو هسا كان أنكرو دلتنا كوي دعما طبعا أوسه لكن كاتو جيم ماجرن تمنه طبعا كان مين على نورين دايله إن كان كايلاو ده أو لغة تربتاني كبو ترجمة مجيء لكن استفدنا يعني كان سمانغرو شرقنا كوي أنا بعرف وسي طبعا نحاول نشر له للناس ما بتكلم لغتنا عشان يستموا يكون معانا إن شاء الله. ومن قصة قرية قصجة ومن قصين كي أنا كتب جام بقرجام قصين كي إلتا سالم معناته كاتو لغة مني قرية نوصل إلى لغة أرنجك بو أي إنجليزي بو أقول أرنجك بو منارا مناسين بعدك نمشي سوا نيم بنيم
ان
ماس
شاء الله.
ya gudu mangun ka min tabo je kun ka ma ka wasinga ay ni kariyo bo kun jonga meneten borom bir karikin amadreti aso
ان شاء الله ما عندكم مشكله والله.
بارك الله.
شكرا شكرا.
شكرا. So Fatima or anyone
Yeah.
can further just highlight what we just said, or
Abdrazik, can you do that?
yes, please.
Okay, I'm kind of having issues with breathing too, but I'll try to say a few things in English as it will be helpful for others. And Uncle Muhammad Khadir, as he said, they are ingredients to almost every major words that we learn within masarak language. For example, he specifically described domoga, and he went on and explained there are ingredients to it. There are materials that led up to building of domoga itself. So those are important things. And to be honest, I was super excited when I heard that. So there, from the clay to the grass types to the water from grains like sorghum, millet, and so on are used to actually production of that clay, not only used for producing such thing as domoga, but also for wall buildings and things like that. And so it's important what he's emphasizing, and the most important of what he said is just understanding the foundations of what is the word that we're talking about. And I think that is really key to we're talking about scholarship here. We're not talking about just something, a word or a product of something. But when it comes to understanding anything, you need to know the foundation. And I think it's just the beauty of Masai language, and of course some other languages, is the important for understanding foundations. And I think these are things not only we need to learn now, but I think in the future, because you're a student here today, but tomorrow we want you to be a scholar of Masali language, and we want you to write, or we want you to be a researcher. We want you to be a writer for all, or scholar for books in different subjects: science, mathematics, literature, so on. And therefore I think it's really important for us to talk about foundation, because without foundations, it's you just learn the language you speak, and it just becomes the everyday standard thing. So if you want to go beyond that, you need to know the foundation. I think what Uncle describing here is really, really important. And so think about this. Don't take this class as just a class where I can learn Masali language and just move on. No, let's say the foundation again for future Masalid scholarship in Masalid literature, Masalid science, and so on. So let's think about it, or also think about this class as a future university. Some of you are going to go on and open it, this future. So I don't take it any lightly, and I think it's really important to look at the bigger picture when we're taking, even if it seems simple and basic thing that we're learning. We have to emphasize on the bigger pictures. That's just my personal addition and personal view of that. But my friend Mubarak is doing a phenomenal job, and all of you are here learning. And if there's any questions, that specific questions about what Uncle said, I can definitely sort of jump in and explain, because I was taking heed on everything he was saying, to be honest. And thank you, Fatima, for pointing out to me. But lastly, I want to say, all of you who are in this class, please take this class seriously. We are now just at the beginning, and we want to see how things go. And then, in the future, we want to open, maybe a bigger school, expand this into something huge. Therefore, take it as serious as any class that you're taking outside of this environment. Your class in college, high school, everywhere you're taking, compare this to those classes in the same level. Therefore, when Fatima says, send me your names or emails so I can add you to class, we're looking through the aspect of your accountability, your commitment to this class according to your other classes. Therefore, we hope that the time is available for you and permit you to be able to join this class and be consistent in terms of attendance and have a discipline involvement to be able to learn and move on. So I know we took longer than this class should have taken, but for a purpose, and we are just at the beginning. And speaking of foundation, we want to build a stronger foundation by answering all questions and having to look into sharing ideas as well. But I'll stop here and thank you, Fendi Mubarak. Thank you, everyone, for being here. I was here in every class that we joined here, but I wasn't able to speak because I wasn't in an environment to speak. But moving on, I'll be here, and stop me sometimes if I speak too much because you know it's easy to not realize when you're speaking. So, and especially when you're excited about something. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Majirin or Afandi. Oh, yani Dala, Brother Abdurazik, thank you so much for explaining and highlighting all that what we said just. So I really appreciate on that. Thank you so much for that one.
All right. Thank you everyone for coming. So once we finish the alphabet, we're gonna try to practice more speaking. So please do take notes of what we're doing. These notes will be uploaded to the classroom, and the video will also be uploaded. So if you want to go practice and stuff like that, and at the end of this book, we will hand out certification. So attendance and participation will count towards that. So please do come to class, and if you have questions, send me email or text message me on WhatsApp, or the teacher. So, or even in the general group, you can message say, "Oh, we learned this in class today, but I don't understand what was it we learned," and we can always go ahead and answer that. So thank you everyone for coming. This conclude the class. We will have the class again next weekend, same time. Please do come and send me your email so I can add you guys to the class. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the end of class. So if nobody have questions, you are free to leave.
Kwa ini baso kimbra gudu wari nartege midiranti.
Aso kimura midire.
Kalai.
Take care, everyone.
Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.
Class ended. Please leave, everyone.
All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you very much, Afandi Mubarak, and you've done a tremendous job today. So you can see my notes here. I think
I
I'm
like that.
space. So
You did so good. I like that. I like that actually.
all right, you guys.
And like Fatima said, when we do more speaking that way, even if we don't understand anything,
He froze.
He froze.
Oh
Yeah,
no.
his
Yeah.
voice just went out.
But I'm very happy you're taking notes. This is gonna be very useful for you.
Oh
yeah.
yeah. All right, guys. You have a wonderful day. Let me know if
Thank you.
you need anything. I also recorded the session.
Mhm.
So
Perfect.
I will try to save it, and uh, let's see. I think I will guess him. He recorded the session as well. Um,
Yeah.
Perfect.
Maybe his recording may be a little bit better than mine, but we'll upload both of them, and it will be very useful.
That would
Awesome.
be
Thank you
great.
so much
Thank
for
you.
doing that.
You're very
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Just want to say, and as far as the recording goes, if Afande Mubarak, if you let one of your assistants to create a folder in the class and on in the Google class, so that all the recordings are uploaded. And I spoke to Fatima that there is a way we can actually have you just